You're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel. Today we are making beef back ribs in your air fryer and we will be grilling this recipe so perfectly fine. I have a beef rib rack. This is vertical cut of a beef rib rack and this is a horizontal cut of a beef rib rack. Let's marinate this to the perfection. We're gonna have a barbecue flavor in there and let's just jump into this thing. Alright, this is our spice blender. First thing we will add in here, this is home cooking. We are working on the flavors, okay? This is black seed. You go to market and search for this thing. If you go to an Asian or Arabic market, you're gonna find this very easily. So one to 1.5 tablespoon of black seed. Alright, this is fennel seed. We will add at least 1 whole tablespoon in here. Let's blend these guys. Our fennel seed and our black seed has been crushed like really good. If you guys see here, first thing first, this is the first ingredient we are adding right on top of our beef ribs. The next thing, paprika. We need to give the smoky flavor in our air fryer. So 1 whole tablespoon, half tablespoon goes here, half tablespoon goes here. Garlic powder, add at least 1 tablespoon on this guy and 1 tablespoon on this guy as well. Alright, salt, half tablespoon goes here, half tablespoon goes here. We'll take some black pepper, right? So half tablespoon goes here, half tablespoon goes here. Allspice, half tablespoon goes here, half tablespoon goes here. Now what we have to do, just massage everything up all the way. You have to make sure it's covering all the spots. Okay, we are not even adding oils to it. The beef ribs have a fat layer on top of it. So here it goes. If you guys see here, you're just making sure it is getting every single corner at this time. Alright, so this is our air fryer. We will turn it on. We will put it on air crisp, 390 degrees. The timing, the initial timings, we'll put it for 20 minutes. It's on a preheat. Our beef ribs are layered with our homemade seasonings. Let it be like this. So our air fryer is ready. We will open up with the lid. That's how it is. Back beef rib. We will set it right here. Okay, we'll just pick it and we will just land it right here. At this time, what we have to do, we will just close down this lid. If you guys see here, we have a timing going on. We have 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'll show you how does it look like, and we still have to flavor this thing as a barbecue beef ribs. In 20 minutes, guys, our ribs have been air fried for 20 minutes straight in here. If you guys see, we will take out our beef rib from our air fryer. These are so crispy. If you guys hear this, 20 minutes right here. Grab another marination bowl or any bowl you feel like. Grab all the remainings and add it right here. The seasoning, the dry seasoning we added, we have to still marinate this and cook this at least for 15-20 minutes. If you want to eat the best beef ribs, follow this recipe. Here I have rosemary, half tablespoon of rosemary in here. Here I have oregano leaves, half tablespoon. I'll add it right here. Basil leaves, 1 whole tablespoon. I'll add 1 whole tablespoon of onion powder. What we are doing with this whole crusty guy, these are all the crusts. We have a meat tenderizer. I'm adding at least 1 whole tablespoon of meat tenderizer in here, or maybe you can add 2 spoons if you like your meat to be super soft. Any barbecue sauce, guys. So this is our main ingredient at this time. This is what it is. We'll give it a stir initially. Just give it a stir. once you mix this, grab a baking brush and try to just put it on top of your beef ribs. We'll put back this in right here in your air fryer. So this is what it is. With all the coverings, okay? This is right here. And the minimum time frame for this recipe is 15 minutes. Let's cook this. Wait just 15 more minutes. Smoky barbecue ribs. OMG. Air fry. Smoky ribs. Barbecue ribs, guys. It took at least 35 minutes to make this recipe. Let me just cut it and show you guys what I was telling you to do it. This is the whole cut right here. Juicy right here. This is the horizontal of the whole, and this is what you will get, guys. We will be ending up with this delicious flavors. Take a look here. We can see all the meat right here. It's a fall of bone recipe. Perfectly done, perfectly cooked. So this is what it is, guys. Perfectly done. If you want to make this recipe in your air fryer, do try all the ingredients, and I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now, and do make this recipe if you guys are craving, right? Mairbornhungry here. Bye bye for now.